Hello everybody, here's my latest mosaic. They're tree creepers. Very strange little birds with long claws that hop up the tree. This is a silver birch. And they can't do that in reverse, so they always fly back down. And it was inspired by the last mosaic, which was nuthatches who go upside down. So it's a contrast between them, although of course it's a companion piece. They're quite drab birds, so I've tried to sparkle them up by giving some marini with dichro to whip them up a bit. I mean, they still look like tree creepers, I think. And then I've also added some berries just to give it a bit of texture and a bit of colour. And it's symmetrical about the central tree, which I like actually. I like you get the idea of them going up and flying down quite nicely, I think. As always, it's best illustrated by reciting the accompanying verse, which goes like this. The tree creepers. Jeepers peepers, we're the tree creepers. We think we wear the crown, because when we finished hopping up, we always fly back down.